Welcome to ET Leadership Excellence Awards North 2025. And today I have someone really special with me who is redefining the way we look at nutrition and healthy living. So let's welcome Ms. Priyanshi, co-founder Bargains. Welcome, ma'am.
Hi, thank you so much for having me here.
It's an honor for us too. So, ma'am, my first question for you is, what does clean food means to us and why it has become such a powerful movement in today's generation?
I think clean food is honesty. Clean food is something that we don't have to hide from somebody, right? Clean food is no preservatives, no chemicals, no adulteration, oils that don't deserve a place in our diet, and numbers that shouldn't really exist
Yeah.
in our packaged food in today's world. When I say clean, I just said, talk just before this that clean का मतलब होता है साफ.
Saaf.
और खाना तो साफ ही होता है ना. Since when have we started considering things that a pantry does not have? आपने कभी सुना होगा, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आपके चावल में E42 है. What is E42? What is INS 1100? We don't know. Do you know about this?
No.
No, right?
Never heard of it even.
Exactly, right? But have you ever turned a bread pack that you get in the market and have you read the ingredients behind it? No, right? We don't, because nobody
Because
has
it's
ever
the
told
most
us.
basic thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
हमें लगता है कि यार कोई खिला रहा है हमें, that's going to be good only.
Yeah.
We believe what people serve. We believe in brands that they're serving, but we've never questioned them because they've
Yes.
never told us.
And everyone is using
Eating.
Yeah.
Everyone, 60% of today's generation is consuming breads on daily basis
Yeah.
without even questioning. Why hasn't any brand yet thought of, getting something that people can question? We always say as Barkans that, read before you eat. पूछो तो खाने में है क्या? खाने में जाता क्या है?
Exactly.
Have you ever questioned? No. Clean as a term is very basic. साफ.
Saaf.
खाना साफ ही होना चाहिए. No preservatives. We shouldn't be having adulterations in our food. Simple and what our body deserves is what clean. And I think the movement of clean has started post-COVID because people have actually started questioning, right? लोगों को पता चलने लग गया है कि कुछ तो
Suspicious
गड़बड़
about
है.
everything.
Exactly. We're suspicious about everything, right? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है वाली feeling अब सबके अंदर आने लग गई है. That, because we've realized that moving forward, food plays a very, very important role in our lifestyles. There are so many problems. I always believe that, when I was young, I'm talking about, say, when I was 4, that's almost like 30 years back, I never had headaches as a 4-year-old or acidity issues or hair fall or allergy. Today you move out, you see these kids, 4, 5-year-old kids, they have acidity issues, they are complaining of headaches. What is this? Have we ever questioned? हमें लगता है environmental issues. Of course environmental issues. But what about the food that we're consuming every day? We're getting influenced by Western culture so much
Exactly.
that we've stopped questioning. And I think it's time we question. It's time we know if the food is clean or not.
Exactly. Because the adulteration is happening on a very bad number, I think.
Very, very high level, right? Profitability increasing. Brands are trying to increase their profits. They're trying to increase, their yields by providing these. What does these chemicals do? What does these preservatives do? These preservatives basically increase the shelf life of a product. जो चीज़ 2 दिन में खानी होती है या 3 दिन में खानी होती है, वो 20 दिन तक खराब नहीं होती है. आप खाते हो रोटी 4 दिन बाद? नहीं खाते, कोई नहीं खाता. So what about, why are these preservatives, these adulterations are actually increasing shelf lives. Shelf lives that are not natural, right? These chemicals are, increasing the yields of food. That is not natural. And we don't know. हमें पता ही नहीं, हम तो बस खाते हैं because हम believe करते हैं जो हमें जो भी मिलता है उस पे.
I think you are actually uncovering the truth there.
Ouch, am I?
Okay. After experiencing all these things around, what inspired you actually to start Bargains?
Okay, so Barkans actually happens to be a very pain point driven brand also, okay? वो बोलते हैं ना ज़रूरत का नाम महात्मा गांधी होता है. It's more of that. It's more about, me and my co-founders, we're a family. It's a family driven brand, right? And when I always loved reading about food. I also belong Punjabi हूँ.
High five.
Yes, and food family से भी belong करती हूँ. My
Yeah.
parents have been into catering business for 20 years.
Oh.
So बचपन से पापा ने एक चीज़ बोली थी, जो खुद नहीं खा पाओ, जो अपने family को नहीं खिला पाओ, किसी और को कभी मत खिलाना. And I think it also
That
started.
is really deep.
Yeah, like as in, you know, if I can't feed my parents, my husband, my sister, my kids with something, do I, like on a humanitarian ground, do I deserve to feed it to anyone else? No,
No.
never, right? Food is a love language.
Yes.
We show care. Like जब बहुत टेंशन में होते हैं, जब बहुत बुरा दिन जाता है, तो माँ के हाथ का खाना, it's that love language that soothes us, right? So I think people just forgot about that. People just forgot about that. And I just feel that when we got to know about what happens and what is there in the breads that we're getting, a bread is supposed to be made with 7 ingredients.
Yes.
Go hold a marketed, like a bread that is in the market, and read. It has 20 ingredients. What are those 13 ingredients? We don't even know if they deserve a place in our plate or not,
Yeah.
right? And nobody has ever asked. When we understood that is when the entire point of changing it came.
Yeah.
We always say कि हमें ना पता नहीं था कि actually में अच्छी bread बनती कैसे है, तो हमें तो जो basic पता था हमने वैसी बना दी.
Even I would like to point out something. Even the basic ingredients that are being used, they are also not of the utmost quality.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So when we started Bakans, the major thing that we focused on was that we really wanted to, you know, actually test the ingredients that we're doing.
Yeah.
They shouldn't be genetically modified. So we're the only brand that has non-GMO certificate by the government also. We use completely non-genetically modified ingredients. We're the only brand. We always, so if you ever turn our bread pack, there's a QR code that says that we give all our lab reports there. You can scan it and you can
okay.
trust. As consumers हम बोलते हैं ना कि brand बोल तो रहा है, fresh बोल दिया, क्या fresh है कि नहीं? Now we know, right? Fresh cream. Is it fresh or is it a trademarked name,
Yeah.
right? So we say, okay, you don't believe what we say. You believe
On
when
the
the
reports.
reports, you believe in the lab tested
Yes.
reports. So we very vocally give all our lab reports on our packs. कि हम पे नहीं करते भरोसा, उस पे कर लो. We will never play with you.
Yeah. That's really, really good. So my next question for you is that, like, most of the people think that clean food is expensive. So how do you respond to that?
खाना कब से expensive होने लगा?
हाँ.
साफ खाना कब से expensive होने लगा? I think it's a myth. I think we have created this entire, you know, thing in the market कि if it's good, if it's better for you, if
Yeah.
it's healthy, if it's healthier, तो महंगा ही होगा. If it's doing something good to your body, it's going to be expensive. No, that's not the right thing. That's not the right thing. Come on, think it like that.
Yeah.
The most pure thing is not going to be expensive. It is how we've been living.
Exactly.
If I go and tell my grandparents that साफ खाना expensive होता है, they will stop believing in humanity. They will like, बचपन से हम तो साफ खाना ही खाते आए हैं, right? So clean food shouldn't be expensive. It is never a luxury. It's a necessity. I think it's time it's time that we as consumers and producers also start changing the world. You know, let's leave the world better than we found it.
Yes.
Or let's leave the world the way it was. The way it was probably 50 years back. We never knew that, you know, what are these adulterated foods? We never ate them. Why? Because the world is running in such a fast space right now. Everyone is just running. We're in a rat race that we just believe packaged food kha lo. It's going to be good.
People are like really comfortable in buying expensive food which is actually adulterated, but expensive food उनको खरीदना नहीं जो कि clean है.
Because the thing is, okay, Bakans is not an expensive brand.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not an expensive brand. Our core ideology, our USP lies in affordability and accessibility. We want to reach the masses. We want to tell every household that clean food is not expensive. We don't want to make it expensive. We want you to have clean food as your right,
Yeah.
not as a luxury. It should never be like that. Also, as Bakans, we really, really believe in one thing. We really want to go away from the fads, you know. जैसे आपने भी बोला और आपने सुना भी होगा, मैदा मत खाओ,
हाँ.
चीनी मत खाओ, ये गंदा है.
आटा भी मत खाओ, ये भी सुना है.
क्यों?
हाँ.
If we have if we believe in something like maida mat khao, then nationalities like China, Japan, Italy, band ho jayenge. They live on white flour.
Yeah.
Right? Dessert industry of the world is going to die if we don't eat
Yes.
sugar. The problem is not in this. The problem is we're getting very scared with food.
Yeah.
The answer is eat it with mindfully. Eat it mindfully. Eat it with balance. खाना खराब नहीं होता. हम जैसे खाते हैं वो खराब होता है. Nobody is telling you to eat 14 slices of bread at a go.
Yes.
2 slices of bread. If my grandmother likes a white bread,
Yeah.
she's born with that. She's always had a white bread since she was young. I can't be the only nation who is literally singing aata, 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 aata. Nobody else, nowhere else it's like that. So if she wants to have a white bread, doesn't she deserve to eat a clean white bread?
Yes.
So we do an entire portfolio of breads, from a white kulcha to a whole wheat kulcha. We're the only brand that's doing 100% clean chakki atta bread.
Oh.
That is a stone chakki atta milled bread, जिससे आप रोटी खाते हो. क्योंकि a lot of people are now turning, सबके पास नहीं होता टाइम रोटी बनाने का.
बिल्कुल.
But bread तो अच्छी मार्केट में मिल ही नहीं रही थी.
Yes.
So we tried, to give you that comfort level that don't worry, we understand you're running, but we're there. We're there to serve you. We're there to make you, we're there to give you breads just how you will make it for your loved ones. That's the vision that we
Well,
have.
that's really, really thoughtful of Parkins.
Thank you.
So my next question for you is, what is the biggest misconception that people have about breads in India?
Again, I just said it before. The biggest misconception about breads currently in India is white bread gandi hai. Ye ganda hai. You should only eat a sourdough. The sourdough trend is so much. Very good. Love the bread. Love the type of bread. I also am a consumer of sourdough breads. But how many people are eating sourdoughs nowadays? Like the older, probably my parents or my parents' parents, they don't understand sourdough.
Yeah.
They will not consume a sourdough bread. They like in the morning probably a slice of white bread with malai. That's
Yes.
their
Huh.
makhan, bhujia. That's their vibe, right? They will not enjoy a sourdough bread. They will
Yes.
never enjoy a sourdough bread. So this entire misconception about packaged food in India, specifically packaged bread in India, is getting so hyped because of these brands coming in and saying whole wheat ही खानी चाहिए, sugar नहीं होना चाहिए. Palm oil is a villain.
Yeah,
Palm oil is
palm
wrong.
oil.
Yes, preservatives and chemicals are wrong. That should not be present. Breadstick normal
Breadstick.
खाना है, क्यों नहीं खा सकते? क्यों नहीं खा सकते? Why can't we relish a single slice of bread? If I tell you tomorrow छोले कुलचे खाने छोड़ दो, कुलचा तो गलत है. That's not something that people do. You like a kulcha. You like a kulcha. We're Indians. We like our pav bhajis. We
Yes.
like a white pav. Let's eradicate this entire notion of demonizing food. We as a culture, we are really demonizing food in today's world. We're really trying to tell people कि ऐसे ही जीना है, ये नहीं खाना है, ये मत करो. We should actually look deeper. We should actually dig deeper, and we should actually question ये खाना है, but इसको अच्छा कैसे बनाना है.
Exactly.
That's
Well, I really loved how you are portraying the concept of food to us and concept of healthy food to us. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. On an ending note, I always try to say that food is love, food is
Yes.
care, food is trust. What we eat today defines how we live tomorrow. So I think just let's enjoy food and let's just eat clean. Because when we as consumers we start demanding clean,
Yes.
the brands will be forced to give clean to us.
Exactly. When they'll start questioning the brand.
When you start questioning, read before you eat. Question brands, what they're doing.
Wow, thank you so much, Ms.
Thank you.
Priyanshi. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Ms. Priyanshi, co-founder Barkins, and read before you eat.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.